Hi there friends, welcome back. In the last video I told you about the distributor billing. Now I'm going to tell you about the retail billing. So open up your browser and click on this bookmark, and after that put your email ID and password, then login. After that click on the card, and here you can see the billing part and card containing retail billing, boxes with distributor billing, and the page with the manual billing as we discussed in our previous videos. Before telling you about the retail billing, I want to show some difference between retail billing and distributor billing. These two billings are same, like they contain standard products. Here I added one item in the distributor billing. Here you can see it is the distributor billing. So the item is digital watch, which is of rupees 4500 rupees. So here you can see the retail billing, and again I added one item which is same product like digital watch, and you can see the price is 4900, which is different from the distributor billing. So here I'm going to show, this is the item we have created, which is digital watch. So here you can see the selling option. The retail selling price of digital watch is 4900 and wholesale price of digital watch is 4500. So I want to elaborate it for you. So the retail billing show the retail selling price of the item, and distributor billing show the wholesale price of the item. So that's why it is different from each other. Here you can see retail billing shows the 4900, which is its retail selling price, and distributor billing shows the price 4500, which is its wholesale selling price. So let's begin with the retail billing. I'm going on my page again, and here I want to cut one bill. I want to sell some item. I want to sell Timex watch, and quantity is 1, and I'm adding the item. So it is same as distributor billing. In the previous video I already discussed about this print, not print. You can complete the bill without printing, and the hold button, void button, credit button, and bank button. When you click on this bank, you can see the select pay mode. It contains of mobile wallet too. So let's see how mobile wallet works. Go on this navigation and right click on this and open it in new tab. Again go to the finance, and on the finance admin, here you can see the wallet, and after that I'm going to add one wallet in it. So let's suppose the wallet is PayU Money, and mobile number is just some dummy number, and my boss name is Tiara Boss. Suppose email ID is money@gmail.com, and carry forward amount is like I'm putting 5000 rupees and I'm creating it. So here you can see PayU Money is added in your wallet. I'm going back on my tab, and now I'm adding one customer like M Hospitality, and I want to sell like watch, fast track watch, and its quantity is 1, so I'm adding it. Here you can see the item is added, so I want to select the mobile wallet, and mobile wallet is PayU Money, and I'm cutting the bill without printing. So here you can see the bill is created. Now I'm going back on the where we created wallet. Here you can see wallet outstanding, and I'm clicking on the wallet outstanding. Here you can see the amount is increased, which is 9900 rupees, and it was 5000 rupees before. So let's go back to the billing portion, and this is how the bank mobile wallet works. Till now we cut the bills by the customer name, and now there's one more function when I'm clicking on this, and here you can see the revenue name. Billing by revenue name is used in restaurant, cafes, etc. I'll explain you about revenue in the picture, so I'm opening it up. Consider it a restaurant, like here you can see the restaurant contains tables like table 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here tables are the revenue name. All billing are done by the table names because we don't ask customer information, so all billing is done by their revenue names. And here you can see the token number, like in Domino's, rule is to pay first and take your mail when ready. They give customer some token number. When announced mail is collected by the customer, so this is the way of using token number. Let's see how billing by the revenue name is done in our software. So I'm going back to my software. Here you can see the revenue name. As in the last video, we have created customer names. Same, we can create revenue name here. So I'm clicking on this plus sign, and you can create revenue name here. Like I've already created like table 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going back, and suppose some customer came and ordered something. So I'm adding revenue number, table number 1, which is our revenue name, and they ordered some pizza. I'm adding pizza, and the quantity is 2, so I'm adding it. Here you can see the item is added, billed to the table number 1, and you can see the folio number 2. It contains a folio number 2. So suppose they ordered limca 2, so I'm adding limca here, and the quantity is like 3, so I'm adding 3 limca. Here you can see the 2 items are given to the table number 1, and I'm cutting a bill so we can give it to the restaurant to complete the meal. So suppose again the same table, from the table number 1, the customers order one more item, like they ordered some coffee, and I'm adding coffee here, and the quantity is like 3, I'm adding it. So the coffee is added to the same table number, and again I'm cutting the KOT, and KOT is given to the kitchen. Here I want to tell you one more thing, like from the folio number you can find the bill which is cutted to the same tables. The last folio number is 1012, so I can click on this and find the total bill here. So you can find it by folio number, or you can directly go on the revenue name, and you can see the total bill here, which is pizza, limca, and coffee. I'm clicking on this print button, and the print is set. So you can print and give it to the customer that the total bill is complete. And there's one more thing I want to tell, like again some customer came to the table number 2 and ordered some coffee. So I'm adding coffee, and the amount is 1, I'm adding it. Here you can see the item is added. When we check here, you can see the token number, which is 194, and you can print the token number. Here you can see the token number, which is 194. So the all functions are done here, like print, complete the bill but not print, and the token number, and the revenue name, and the delivery, hold, void, credit, and bank. So this is how the billing section works. So we discussed about all types of billing, like retail, distributor, and manual billing. This is it. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about the stock management, how you can manage your warehouses and stocks. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.